guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we're sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike Pegasus Premium. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just wanted to take this time and opportunity to thank subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Nike Pegasus Premium. We got this in a UK size 7.5. This is a European 42.5. Forgive me, it's 42. And it's a US 8.5. That's where I got the 5 from. As I don't know if you all know, but if you see a Nike with the orange OG box, these are performance sneakers. And like I mentioned, this being the Nike Pegasus Premium, these are the OG, well, it's more of an update, the more modern version of their elite running sneaker, the Pegasus. So here they are in all its glory. We have done a Pegasus, we've actually done a performance review, so do check that out if you've got this time. If you want to see us do more performance reviews, we'd love to. Just let us know in the comment section below. We'd love to get some sneakers worn and tried and tested for you guys. So let's get into the review right now. We'll start with the outsole. So Nike obviously going back to their roots in running. This sneaker is born for running. You've got this kind of raised traction patterning and you got this window of the air zoom. You can see that right there. The midsole. So the midsole it has two of Nike's best innovations, inventions. So you have Nike React X, which is the latest foam technology. You see it a lot used in their running shoes, obviously, and their basketball sneakers. And I don't know if you could tell, for me, the best air technology that Nike do are the Nike Air Zoom. And you can see that Air Zoom technology right here in the midsole, in that clear window. Full length Air Zoom is one of the best. A lot of Nike basketball sneakers, especially like the early LeBrons, to be fair, some of the newer LeBrons as well, they use a lot of the Air Zoom technology. We've done tons of sneaker reviews that involve Nike Air Zoom technology, but Nike going back to their roots and using it for running, always great to see. Look at the upper, it's all synthetic uppers. You got a mesh on the toe box, a mesh all around, but you got your heat pressed plastics on the sneaker as well. So you got your big swoosh on the lateral side, and on the middle side, you got the zoom to show that it's obviously Air Zoom technology. With this being the Pegasus Premium, you have to show that premium as well. Nicely padded tongue, Nike Pegasus Premium, right there on the tongue also. Easy access for your heel, just slip them in with the raised heel. And at the heel tab as well, you got a reinforced TPU right there just to further support you. Just want to go back to the midsole layer. So you got a kind of like dual density, dual comfort right here. Zoom X sandwiched with the Air Zoom. Lightweight sneaker. Nike going back to their running roots. This is probably one of the best running sneakers that Nike have done recently. Always great to see Nike do just updates on what they do best. And I just want to put little tabs here as well. Like you can see this really cool mini swoosh. I'm a big fan of the mini swoosh. Just before we get going actually into the on feet, the insole, you got a nicely padded insole with that Air Zoom. So with it being Air Zoom, you kind of got like a thin layer on the the insole, so you can feel the React technology and the Air Zoom, which is what you want when you're running. You want to be comfortable, you want that bounce back, and you want to hit your personal Bs, or your PBs. There we go. Again, if you want to see us do some reviews performance reviews, let us know in the comment section below. We would love to get back into that. We just want to get the right amount of people telling us to do that. So if you do, let us know in the comment section below. Till then, we're going to do the on feet rollout footage of me trying these on for you right now. When it comes to the fit, guys, if you want a fit that's proper cozy and snug for your feet, get your true to size Nike fit. I'm a UK size 7.5, and these fit perfectly. Bit tight, so it kind of makes my feet do that. It's like kind of, I'm not saying constraining my feet, but my toes feel a bit tight. It's not to the tip of the shoe, but it's like more or less there touching it. But I'm kind of expecting it, if I'm doing some proper runs, I don't want my shoes falling off. I want it snug, I want them there, you know, doing its job. And when I was doing the little runs, you can feel the React technology, you can feel that comfort from the Zoom Air at the bottom. It's really good. Highly recommend. If you want us to do a performance review, let us know in the comment section below. Love to hear your thoughts and feelings and your emotions. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera, but you can see the metallic shine and the reflective. Again, I don't know if you can see it, but there is a reflection that you can see. Really dope sneaker. Again, this is like one of Nike's OGs. Continues to update, continues to be fire. If anyone from Nike's watching, and we know that you are, show some love to the boys. You know our shoe size. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at OneUpreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Till next time, peace.